All right, so where are we? Like, oh no. First we need to tell who we are. So I'm Jordan.
I'm Priscilla.
I'm Naadia.
And where are we at, ladies?
We're in Tulum.
Basically,
I
we're
think we're in Tulum.
on vacation right now.
We
All
are.
right, let's check this out.
First of all, I really like the pink door. Pink door's cool. Look at how tall the ceilings are. They are, how cute. They're like the wood style. They've got wood in them.
So I love that this is technically a studio apartment, but you've got a lot of privacy that's already built in, so it's not something that you have to create, which is really nice.
So we're here hanging out in this bathroom right off. I mean, I'm obsessed with this. Do you like this?
Backsplash.
This
Yeah.
is honestly my favorite part of the whole community is the backsplash in the freaking bathrooms.
Are you about to get in the shower?
I just am naturally beautiful, that's all.
Yeah. I love the black trim in here. Black is so in, and the trim is all black in here, and it's gorgeous. It's decorated basically for you. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with the natural lighting that's coming through. Barnyard doors, extra storage, ceiling fan, like this is amazing. You would never know it's a studio apartment.
All right, so y'all know me. My favorite part of any apartment community is the gym. This gym has an awesome TRX situation, which basically has all your equipment, and it sits right on the roof, so you have an awesome view while you're working out.